So I chose to talk about Erik Erikson, who was influenced by Freud. But while Freud focused on sexual interest as a driving force in development, Erikson focused on the interaction between the child and the social environment. For example, he believed that it's very important for children to establish a sense of trust with the adults in their lives in order for them to develop independence and to establish their identities in society. He proposed that at each stage of life, the individual must deal with a crisis. The first crisis happens at birth through 16 months of life, where the infant is learning whether or not to trust those around him. And this is why Erikson believed that positive interactions between the caretaker and the infant, during feedings especially, because this is when the baby's needs or one of the baby's biggest needs are being met, he believed that this time is essential. The next crisis comes during the toddler phase when the child strives for independence, and continues until around 6 years of age when the child plans and carries out activities and learns society's boundaries. Then, between 7 and 13 years old, the child feels the need to be productive and successful. And if the child does not feel productive and successful, it can result in feelings of inadequacy for the child. So, as educators, we can use Erikson's theories in our classrooms by first creating stable and nurturing environments, and also recognizing that our young students must be given a little bit of freedom to make some of their own choices and decisions, and they have to learn how to take initiative when appropriate. But at the same time, we must balance this with teaching them what their boundaries are in the classroom and in society and what is expected of them.